So you're looking to sell out of your business in the next few years, and you're wondering what should you do now to prepare for that sale. I'm going to give you a few different ideas on some things that we like to help clients with and that we like to guide them on. So if you're a business owner, typically we recommend starting with looking at the exit of your business when you start your business, and that's really important because down the road you will exit out of your business. Maybe you wind it down, maybe you sell it, but the more that you start to do your planning, the better value you're going to get from your business and the better planned you're going to be. So now, if you're looking at selling out of your business, one of the first tips that we recommend is finding a planning firm that can work with you to make sure that you've got your investment pools all structured properly so that when you ultimately sell out of your business, you're going to be able to draw from those pools in a very tax effective manner. We also recommend running projections to understand what do you need from the sale of this business to reach your retirement goals. Right? That's going to be really important because if you go and meet with a business broker to sell your business, they're going to ask you, how much do you want for this business? How much do you need for it? If you need, for example, $7 million, but your business is only worth 5, well, you've got a little bit of a problem. So making sure that you understand what do you actually need from this business to reach your retirement goals is going to be really important. And then also working with a business valuator to understand what is the business worth, or talking to a business broker early in the stage and understanding what do they think that they can get from your business when they take it to market. Because that way you can understand, do you need to increase the value of it? Do you need to work a little longer? Or are you in the spot where you can actually sell your business? And also working with a reputable planning firm, they're going to make sure that you've got the proper corporate structure. Having a proper corporate structure when you go to sell your business is super important. That's how you're going to end up minimizing the amount of tax that you're going to pay. We see it far too often where individuals go and sell their business and they pay hundreds of thousands of dollars more in tax because they didn't spend any time looking at their corporate structure. So those are the low-hanging fruits. Go and find a good planning firm that you can work with that doesn't just focus on product sales or investments, that they focus on planning. So that's step one. Number two is try to maximize the amount that you get from your business by bringing in a business consultant and having them look at the different aspects of your business and looking for opportunities to increase the value. There's a lot of things that you can do, and we've been very successful at introducing our clients to certain business consultants where they've come in, looked at the business thoroughly, made a bunch of adjustments, and this is over a course of a few years. This is not going to be on the eve of retiring and selling. You definitely want to start this process early. The earlier, the better for sure. But working with a business consultant can absolutely help you increase the value of your business. And I think third, what I would say is just make sure you get your house in order. So you want to make sure that you've got clean financial statements. You don't have any redundant cash inside the business, that you don't have personal assets or investments inside that business. You're not using your corporate bank account or corporate credit card for personal expenses, making sure that all of your employees have employment contracts in place. Just little things like that. That goes a long way because when you ultimately go to sell your business, you're going to find that you're going to have a team of lawyers and accountants that are looking at everything and with a fine-tooth comb, and they're looking to make sure that everything's clean and organized. And the cleaner it is and the more organized it is, the more valuable your business is going to be. I hope that you have found this helpful. If you want to learn more about what we do, visit us at 360wealth.ca. We'd be happy to have a conversation with you. Thanks.